All right, so now we're gonna warm up our hips. This is gonna become super crucial when we get to the floor and start doing footwork because we'll be in a squatted position most of the time. So to begin, pretend like there's a barrel or a chair in front of you, and we're just gonna raise our left leg over it and come around. And then switch to your right, and then left, and then right. So really try to pick up your legs, so really wake up your hips. Again, we're doing about 5 to 10 reps for each exercise. All right, when you feel good, we're gonna reverse this. So we're gonna come in this time with our left. In, and cross, and cross. Again, you don't need something in front of you. It's just good to like pretend like there's something there. All right, right about there. All right, so the next thing we're gonna need is a wall. So you're just gonna turn around, find a wall, any wall. You're gonna put your hands on it. Basically, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kick laterally, which means my legs are just gonna come up and swing side to side. So I'm gonna kick to my left, right, and really try to just open up your legs. Get the hip joint loose. All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn sideways, still use the wall. You're gonna kick forward and back. So I'm gonna kick forward, back. Just a different angle for your hips. All right, and then we're gonna do the same for the other leg. So again, face the wall, kicking side to side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about good. I'm gonna turn profile, face the wall, hand on the back wall, kick straight and back, front and back. All right, so from there, we're gonna go to the floor. All right, so now that we're on the floor, we're gonna do 2 exercises to really open up our hips. The first one, we're gonna go on all 4s. So I'm gonna turn sideways just so you see my position. My hips are up, my feet are on the ground, and my arms are on the ground. So I'm gonna face forward now. So the key thing for this one is you really wanna keep your toes on the ground, and we're just gonna alternate opening our hips. So with my left foot on the ground, I'm just gonna lean it out this way and really open it out. Come back to center. Then I'm gonna lean it in towards my right leg. Come up. And then for the right, lean it away on the outside. Really push out your hips. And then lean it inside. So it's really important that you just focus on keeping your foot on the ground. And you're really just pivoting on your toe here. You don't have to go like super deep. You don't want any injuries here. Just trying to wake up your hips. Let's do one more on each side. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do down here is I like to call a hip opener. So all you're gonna do, I'm gonna clasp my hands together. I'm gonna be on my tippy toes, on my toes here, and I'm gonna be pushing out my knees with my elbow. So I'm here, I'm just really pushing out. And just for an extra stretch, I'm kind of rocking left and right here, and you'll start to feel it. So focus on really pushing with your elbows on your knees. All right, and then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna finish with a couple of squats. So from this position, I'm gonna just come up, hands behind my head. I'm gonna drop to a squat, come back up, squat, come back up. Do about 5, 10 of these. It's up to you. Whatever makes you feel warm. Let's do one more. And we should be good. All right, so now our hips should feel nice and loose. Now let's move on to our knee. See you in the next lesson.